Riley. Good morning, Riley. How's your waffle? Is it good? Wrong song, Mama. This is your favorite song, Riley? Good job, Riley. Do you want to show some signs? Can you sign hat? How about doggy? Can you sign doggy? Riley?
Waffle.
Baby signing time? You don't want it to stop?
Hi, Pete.
Hi, Peter.